Okie dokie. Hi there. Welcome to my very own website that I completely coded by myself from start to finish. My name is Cerys, and today I'll be taking you through my website that I've been working on for these past couple of weeks and showcasing what I've learned. So not wasting any more time, I have 5 sections to go through, and I will start with typography, but I also have my CARP, coding, UX, and reflection sections that I will get to later. So I have a quick link to it. Obviously I can just scroll down, but this quick link is easier. So my typography section, I had to create 8 different posters. These posters had to have 8 different types of typography systems in them. These systems were axial, bilateral, dilatational, grid, modular, radial, random, and transitional. As you can see, all 8 are here, and below each of the little posters I have an explanation detailing what I did and why I chose to do it. I really enjoyed this part of the project, so I wanted to showcase it first. So scrolling back up, I'm going to my CARP section now. This was my second part of the project that I did, and I used my typography skills that I learned to make 3 different posters. These posters all had some form or some system that I used in my previous section. So I made 3 different designs, but they're all quite similar in color and contrast, but I had a very fun time with it, and like my typography section, I also have paragraphs going down explaining in further detail why I chose to do what I did in each of the posters. So going down to my coding section, this was to showcase everything that I learned in the previous weeks building up to designing this very website that I'm talking about right now. So each of these little images I coded by myself, but they helped me make my website. So for example, this one is incorporating the buttons that I can quick link and be directed to some part of the website. Another one was a flexbox, which aligns all the images to where I want it to be. It was very helpful, and I don't think I would have been able to make a successful website without this. My next section is user experience, and this was the section that was basically showing how I thought about doing my website. Below each of my images are the phases that I went through in creating this website. So my phase 1 was a list, my phase 2 was a flowchart, my phase 3 was a wireframe, and the last phase I did was a reworked wireframe. It was really helpful in detailing what I wanted, so when I was ready to code my website, I would have a basic layout in my mind. So my final section is my reflection, and it's basically what it is. It's a reflection of how I felt for this poster, or this project, and everything that I learned from it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. There was one more thing I forgot to add. In my coding section, I have a quick link to all of my other projects and all of my other repositories from other classes that I would love to showcase, and if you click that link you can go into this website and you can check it out and see what else I've done. But yeah, I'll click on all these other buttons just to show that they work. There's my coding section, there's my user experience section, and there's my final reflection section. I hope this walkthrough was very helpful, and I hope you enjoy looking at my website in further detail. Thank you.